On a black and white system, that means that we are having the system which is black and white, means only one bit can represent the respective color. So on a black and white system, only one bit, with one bit per pixel, because one bit can have, if you consider one bit of information, it can have two values. So let it be 0 and let it be 1. So let us suppose 1 is denoting the white color and 0 is denoting the black color. So this one bit can have two different states, 0 and 1. Now what is the question here? That on a black and white system with one bit per pixel means for each and every pel there is a pictured element. You know that pixel is actually nothing but the short form of pictured element, and also it is called as pel, pictured element. So they are same. So for one picture is actually containing multiple pixels. Now frame buffer is commonly called, so which will be containing all this information of a frame, of a one display screen, so information. So that is known as a frame buffer, and which is actually called pixel map, multi-map, bitmap and texture map. So here the answer will be the bitmap. So I shall be going for this option, that is a bitmap. So bitmap will be that very frame buffer which is commonly used on a black and white system with one bit per pixel of information to be stored. So bitmap frame buffer is always one bit per pixel. So we shall be going for the option number C.